Ozomo kwa mfamno tumfo ba TV Plus so. Abuzia me no kasa sisi team legal wife wa mo kasa de mama me Akosua Serwaa de abufu kase pa asojata na abuzia omo mfa nko ba bia se Father Dickson wo despite media aso ye abuzia omo se ade Father Dickson ye mfaso bi ani so simply because say when nipa bia sabi ne so ni mfaso bia na ya employee no se omna be ye adwuma ewo TV so ne radio so obi te sa aboage we say sabio afiahwa senega kura mpo se wo be market wo be mamu so mrepa se enkuruma na wo Father Dickson witimi hwe obi an be market na ne tikutu wa employee no so ombe ye adwuma ewo Peace FM na emfaso bay pa na woni pay so na abusia wo hwe tim legal wife fo entokwa pa na ebufu ene se ne omatoto biye e de amane Father Dickson abusia enya asem ketwa ene ensam do makami peso kam ko ginche mu be sisi ye kore ba bia hye bia ebepie no kore entimi hintada ba bia hye bia wo wi asibia onim so akanta de ayi aguso first me ya mi kunu se na wo ade ma me no obushani no na me se madamfo bi ma me nua wo se wadamfo bi ma me nua asem tintintin se nya no ntina me ka bia ma no me ye de bi de me nya me de ntina me ka nya madamfo bi ma me nua no ntina eye me we but tie makra na nyame brasem kani fosi nyame brasem aya de ni kwanse nipa ye waye esa agina ho hwe mpusu ye ntuofo sie tuofo so na wonti o sedien ye odi ayere ho saa Nebukadneza ayere ne ho yere kopie nwuram bokwa anti ade medam ase
yeah kasa
at this point, Namada, sorry, at this point, I'm very disappointed with Father Dickson. Nipa amount fire na se peki omo se omeye adwuma wo mo ho. Wa kwasi Aboag, wa ye wuti kete. Tina afia Schwarzenegger na ese se obe.
Tuchi man ticket what is agbe o ho.
Adwene bi anim. Tina afia Schwarzenegger say obe bisa no. Obe bi o kete on be kan. Empre bebre ya na asem ba. Na wo ye radio station.
Tuchi man say de ni tisha na sara ne be ma so.
I use a pen.
Okay, Yatias ye.
Ma men ka sem bi nche empre bebre. Se media space, radio presenter, media, asamba. It was a woman middle. The reason why they say, sa asam koto na no kure pia. Ebia na wuni kofrodua ewo ma amenafa. Ana kofrodua ewo odoblo nsama fa. Why should ye pe ebegu station no despite. I know say adwumane ye wo dia. A jubilee was so they will not AC form because this is force. A force. A if any could be a summer, yes, Omunina Yakuna, open so crown on Tras and Biaso. I didn't know Mutimi Chatro.
I said him where this may say no monk can
Mutimi Chatron, a tron and a tron, a bayer is a more girl no. At this point, or double some more how double some. Because the time is Mohan say, Mu piana managing any so. Mu piana managing any so. Sebi, me baby, I see me who be that. Me besame mamma say, or who be those there, me who be that. Because or baby things to be seen was a maju cracketwa, na me ya mesano be pricuna yawu. Richard,
I
didn't be see down. This oh my Ghana double some Miss Ubuku ye betro. So swampa say ya no bi wa omusomu di ne ma me atama America o. Ada woni adwene 30 years 30 plus oni adwene. O ma me ne ye na ka ma me mpena o ti me for so. O ma me no ti me for so but girl na akasa no she was born bad. Adwene nye Bebe we are sage wu na adwane because adwene kuta na ya adwane bone se me di menua wu na owo na me di menua na me mfa ho ese me ya menua na de Mehana kopim sebi. Richard Namisha, Mehana kopim sebi. Man be kana no adru. Na shatabe kan se me anchi adwin so. You can imagine say na ye ma amene ma abonte no. Shani oba abonte mpokwa de girl on ye. Na ye ma amene ma abonte. Asam na ekos adwan. Se wo ye obi awani now you'll be a spiritual person. Now bomb paye. Now we are spirituality yeah. A be ya chope face say nyame kuma we kuma.
Young hunter.
Again before. I won't nyina som. Ewie mu atumfo bibi asom ti say wo de ko ha na anim guase ato. Eno ti na matim legal wife. Yeah so strong ano.
Na me be aprisu me say dan ko sa o say me no obi ko
na me kana me makonto kwada me makonto kwada me tuwe na me konto kwada ano ya me ko sue free asem we ba na no ya say na me nim sa no ya school ne kura makobi enti na ma adwa sim legal wife na agidin no. You can see said the force are eba akaya afani afami na Kenya but I didn't say legal wife no and na agidi wo wi ase afa dan nyina and na Ghana radio station na bo yedi mesremo and na adwade as the sebe to manim me so me ka bi wa ha samukọ me do obi na wudi na tema wo kra me mfa se me do obi na wo kaseti ana minima de betimi kwa de me kwa wa manipa kro. It's sabuko ni edi ma ami atama muntwa mu ate
ma mu nyina ho
ma mu nyina wo mu yese nyina ya bodanfo me se nura mu ma 99 bullet ma ho na bodanfo school fo na ahia o ebi de duro so ebi de da ese abodanfo nko a mesre mo she eniema na ekoso sa no be so mo distract e o mi e ka se ye nkan ma me na asemu bi me na ya na me pentokwa ese mi ni obi ate
ye nko ho
me ni obi atem do mo wa chomo kakra because
e maka to
wa we ya on be distract wa ma na da wono ye nka bi
sesa na nka na ge ne peso wonim
yes
lady na no ba na ntina ho no ade amete ye so obeso ne me yes wo say obeso ne me ye te se vida ene ak wo mo
to so pe wa asemo
no de ayi ode nya viewers na me se me na me benya daja na me
won so abodam ma me de so abodam na adwen wonim hwe adwoa adwumra e wo se ye nyina asem bi ba na on pese no me be ba wo maso on pese ukufie bebo kawanu tum shema mi we asem adwa e be man kofu bebre fie bebo e be man nipa be huna mane because e nipa nim no kole no bo ma frɛ no ma frɛ kontompo se ye no kore me da bia me ka me se me asem a wo ye me dai no kore me ka hwe se ya ma me ne ye papa akɔbɔ bla eno me kan se me se papa me woni hwio woni bibia o eye woni na yele ejapade woni na yele na akwa bla wo ye narcissist sa me ma no motia o to ade kro ma wo nto no de koye de ye fa koye ejapade o fie sa no de ye ma me no na ma me ni kura mo na mo ka akwahwifuo mpe agimifuo ya muni munyanse mo se papa no ye pem na ma me no so ya asa mo na mo ka wo na asa woni pemfo sika yedi asa woni pemfo edan ye tenam woni ni kuna bobla omo bobla wie ya akraketu asabi wonfa wonsa nya adwuma da
den ha ho
wonfa wonsa anya adwuma da wonhunu ablabo ani so da na o ma me na sisi akyera na akyera ni piapia ho se obi kunu na tena ayi more than 30 years no 40 years no wo akraketu akọ na ekodi papa ni kunu na gida japade o na aka si ya akoto aye da o mo ka si ya akoto e da o e na me ka no she sometimes obi ni kunote na ni kunu pema bebrebe na wo ye nem na o ka se wontia wotimi gya ne manyam se rade me gya me kunu ma o mi ni hwe bi community mi ni tere no me bo en pa na me bo ne se nyam ne ma de bebele me ye wo sa de ni bi ho no mo sa ya ma mi to de papa no ma nya aware o
sando bi sa no ko pe de wo ho obaye na wodi mape wodi ma de nya onkuno ne wawo wodi ma okrampo ne wotu onya no wodi ma anya onkuno ne wawo obaye na osima akọ bedi awo be kire no ye fa wo kire be ma wo ya akra se ka wo build yourself e na ka wo ko school na pa adwuma bi ye ya enne what set record enne what set the whole world what set record me who be that Say we deep part the double some of our double some. Share my make us some way adwa. Ya maame asem no. Wadi nkunim dada. Because niema ACC omo de fa na nyame yepi omo de kwa na yakopon yepi nyame na eko okun no onyame na eko okun no na ebe ko okun no so awie ema wo bia hihim
na woni ma de kura busuafo eso ya abusua no omo tena ase asema ese kura do meka ne se tie kwakwa tonom na still na ye maame so obeye dia wo mo ma ye maame nye kuna ni bi ene e ma ni bi no wo mo obi anye kuna ni bi eno no mo kwakwa tonom mbesre se still no mo anya ntoma ana se ye ebebo mo mi enu
na adwa ensem bi na mframem adwa ensem bi na mframem na me ensi pinza me ntimi nka ensem bi na mframem abusua panyi ne kwa mate na se asem bi na mframem say no credit a if you edi je baba e se fit na ko eni je ba hwa me ka sandra omo ntimi nye ye hwe o jeri ne say ye be konto kwa na me kunu kura kan menti ma me kura kan menti me nua keto na ya kan e kura menti ena me ofra me abusua panyi na ko se we abusua panyi menti na wo a minimum ba bia una me ba betie wa asem una me ba betie wa asem ke mama fa warning we say unto us say means mama mo bi mra Annie love me bo wudi because that back when hapa me the strong one be maw Annie he ablabo ye bona ta kwa keto wonyi nseye wo betra apusu be su say wo hwe be ma no nenyem wo hwe be ma no nenyem akwa keto wo na wonyi nyu ba bia wo ba abrocha ma be ma di wa mo aboka
iso enye wa na so mo obi asem
oh so me pa ma mente ne won me make ma mente ne won nya wo size ni Akosua Serwaa 62 years enya wo enya wo afa no wa kura keto akro bi ko di wa onye mu a wa anye ko betina apu su e ma me ameka se meku bi ma wo queen ebe kan bi ma wo wo tantan so agimi a suanyansa ye ma me nya wo classmate no na wo 24 years 23 years no wo ba be chance se si fa ware dwene wunyin sen ne ho wunyin sen na abọ so no
thank you ya
dwene ho wunyin sen na abọ so na wo so edi press wo na wo ti anopa edwene na wo su na wo brunkofo dua no ye ma me no wo wa ma abonten se de wo ba abonten be ma nye mu na wa anya wo ba abonten na be su ye me ma me de so o ma abonten sa wo chimi what na baby what na me ka cho no otu kito sa me yawo wo tantan Mameka last one. Too many fees se kotal. Pate. O de maminya. Wa pono wa pono. O do na botela. Wa pono wa pono.
Kwanto kwaso ye
wa pono wa pono aban bu ofu pen. Wate. Wa nim sa afia de lie. Na wo de suanyansa.
DM kase. Oga fon go to kwara so wo baba ko ade ti o baba ko wo baba ti obi wone Ashanti money adwuma me pesa me start free despite media ho na pesa me start free
Yeah.
despite media for me new kini ya do free me new okay free me new peace in free me say despite media mu ya bias Sema Akosua Serwaa watomu bibi na wanchia ka mon kanche no mra musika no ntua mokawai mutimi ala oba sebisebio be manfa apetehyikwata enko hu ne maame ne papa da bi ti se MC ya boa no obekira ya maame a wadi sister 2 years ekwan ono fa so ware se 15 years o mada he Namu evidence 15 years maame no hu ni kunu da namu evidence na o ma da still na last year be ma na ba out say na yire entimu problem ne say o ma da ba wonya ware entimu problem ne say still wada so yo yire isem hunu na mu di na mu chantro obi ba kunu o kan no kra na wo Akwasi buaje wanim say ayi atadwe na who stopping the pakro na no na
Adwa mute shada bodam why
no counselor Lutrot ibusa say na ebushapeni koda hotel 28,000 mama say wa buy so mama ne say wa mana ankasa because we are bias who person di mention ni mu twitwi fom na wo ya wo de yama me ma say wanim abetwitwi fom na wo ya wa bepeda oprega wo akora ba ku pewei wo oba ba ku obusa me say na wo nim say ban no na wo wayere dada na akwafa no osia that lumba anka nchem no de sie me that lumba anka nchem no de sie me ohini wei na dismiss asem no the friend jaga ono na dismiss asem no nkoso ne no ka ya asem ma ye no nie kan ho fe ya no ho fe no wanya mo fe papa we say yensi ne form one the pamo prigo e so mfuto bi o mutugo enkwafo ani so e wo UTV anya no kure me say ye mra asante kusia se wa wono ana de na yaba ato na num nsem we me na metro ye me ne mo kasa me na metro we me na me type ye aswa me akosia se wa na de basis ye first fi wo mo camp first asante anya no kure yakwa die si ye ne de ba out no mo spread this news we van kuma social media for no mo nyamfa ntoto mo achi ta ye ntro no mo UTV djuma mo tuo die UTV djuma mo tuo di I say Jaga married to Dr. Asafo AJ daughters of Inchia so anto moka yes sister Bika your friend Jaga meboa Dr. Asafo AJ
Dr. Akosua Doctor
of Inchia so anya agoni
okay
anya agoni edie ye ka se be do suko na ye do suko ye do suko na kofa ohene ne de abrem no Jaga wa wonim ne bia be ka se meboa ana ye boa my your fan so na wo kasa papa
nyame nshira wate na nse me ka se wo munya botre na
I say his wife name is Barati. Barati, they
overflow. Nickname of the man in a whole fancy.
Okay. I don't know what's in Nana.
Meaning, Papa was a song.
When you are in a swan.
Yes, or he be Kumasia, assassin home, Sawa Henry with Jimma, you two, soon to be penasam on song. A very noble man.
And then what you know.
And now you're well educated. Just why you're very educated. You know, my main clarified you her. Ashanti,
the wife name. Okay.
Yeah. Any baby two for to the good nipenia. I was say, you clarify na legitimately guy wives, Messilemo. Ubi can simbia and say. Mudi mamma ha mobile be chiri match dem ye mu bi sebe ye mo ye sire mu metena hankasa e na ye kusua de no wo mum ye kwakenkan ansa na ya bahabeka bi a chire
mamemfa ne ntumochi
ebinom nam say till death do us apart no wonu kunu wu a power ni ni hobi me pa cha onya no kure oba wale bema ordinance ya se woni bema ni wu a onto si be sie bema no every day ni well.
Oh, Nana said, I want to hear Yakasa. What's one near Yakasa?
Sa contract in wo ho. Ena eba ordinance marriage ya legal wife no or power wo body no so than ebusua penny. Mo fanto mutiri na munsu enyansa na sebi. Ya na yempesi ye beka. But mako yese sebi e mo bi a mugu wire ma ya bie mu na mo be ye de keke mu nim bie mu ka. Ya na yempesi ye beka ni sei. Na mesre mu ba se wo ware na se wukunu se wonko ye ordinance ya shene niema wo yeye because one thing I can tell you for fact and they say as a legal wife who power over ukunu body se ma me se wa kasi wo mi yu funu nsie nobody can bury lumba wo betima ye mo yi ba body ni de mo nsanka intini ye nsua de wo so we abusia penni na se wo de hia wale nkrata so a wo hum se emremu no nkrata no man kwan e ma body no o power wo so yemfa ntu yetiri me bi tu mfutu gu mo na sebi ewiasim ha no Mensa Otabel, Pastor Mensa Otabel. Pastor Mensa Otabel, or can Simbi, or say, if we are Simha, in the power of Jimmy, or more followers change as a four. And I mention my say, Nyans a Jimmy phobia, and Nyansa sem irritate you ears, or can almost wish you woman. Now, I shan't make general pages no matter be a sewer. His royal. Legina Iriasi in Anama Dawasi, Ashanti. Meaning share physical that
we move
or draw his royal show Chillemino. Baby Piera will be pano, a bit siamino, will be people that defend it, will be Piwako, Miniko Becomechi. His royal Yamisha Wati. Maybe Opo, my doctor, we are both as already. Yamisha Pa. Na meka team legal wife until say judge ni be buya semon.
Hey, I miss Obapa say Asante, that's my dad. Obapa braso na meka papa na sem.
Yes. Share and
offer and I miss you, I miss you no fan why. You must see all.
Me come be and mercy form. Asante say why he was a song was Assem School Kumasi.
my family so bad.
Yeah, intimacy from no affair, mamma.
Miss Obapa, what's on him yen and name?
Me papa ni dinechi. Your friend Nana Chichi.
Hey, sir.
Hey,
Hey, can say hey.
Me papa no. Me papa one mother, one father.
Miss Obapa, the way me feel why
Me papa marry a doctor.
Oh. Hey, Papa wouldn't answer. Oh, me say, if you are sure no kitchen, no ready a period in your fear. Now, no cracker when I say I can to us a bantam. Now, I know some bagaya said he did run about.
Hey, dear, I miss also, yeah, you want to sign your Papa Becca to say.
Oh, no, I know the enemy say on the disasem. Aha, but say on the disasem now, no ankasano, only mrapa. And it's on the disas, almost on the area about Copel, say a catching. And I am
Sir, Miss Obapa, na also social, adwuma wo social service no meboa.
Look at your eye.
It's any baby.
Miss Obapa, Papa say you are part of us long time ago.
Eh, me dem akoama. Omo aya omo ba ha no. Omo ankasa na sa kọ baabi a na omo. Ena me kọ baabi kọ from aye di matemage obi na girl na fro aba sai. Sa na baabi a me kọ bia me ye me du baabi na say ye ke bi ma oprega na mafo na me bedi atem. Girl no so da bi oba ha o. Oba fru bi e bedi na tem. Me we fini di man hwe o she official bi. Omu di matem
na me di na oba ha sia na yesu ya dem no wa. Is here me pamacho and I draw can say be to them. Mamon ko. The best tremo.
So obi try comments be as am papa.
Is MPP as a concern brother.
Uncle Isaac.
Me pamacho. Na we
Pacho onye ni paketu a o ye ni pakese panti Ashanti yi na firi wa ma me wai.
Serwaa.
So me be di na.
On ba be di na tem na fight letter ni momu.
Letter ni momu to adwa.
Ni onye ni paketu a.
So me di na tem why? Me patroness na ya nko baby didi ma atem why na nko defend bi mo munye why
yes ye dey ma kwa ma bre but
so I ain't sometimes you could play for you that's what this family
ma mo nko ho
na mo gwa de ho
pede ho ma mo nko ho
ɛno sa no mamu ko munja
so be a platform show
very good munja wo mo munja do me munja wo mo sese bi ano credit adedi no ano club do ti munja wo no munja do me
enti no ya maami Akosua se wade abeto o se de ekwoso social ni media na Akwasi Aboag ani UTV kani nyina yemwura ente sa ada entro no mo koye no je na me de ne to wachi o ne di asem no ono agase ne anim se wo prega ye bo asem ni to gui ye ne foolish case internet se de wo no no
adwa
Say the
Mami nka bibi kakra.
Go to twa we mimi ntimi.
Akwasi Aboag.
Mami nka wo eyi wo.
Oba ya nya botami ni bi Akwasi Aboag temaka. Akwasi Aboag u ticket to sequence wate. Wa adwene na ya sequence so ko ticket say pen. What Jimmy was. I just think I better kai you. I feel so think I better kai. Me am kai.
Ashanti.
Yes, they were
elected into
me so ba paso of friend or hen ya na or friend go so hin
oba ya so di ka nya botanansa ya botanansa America bi ncha Akwasi Aboag
okay friend no
o say e fe ne say o plega fear what kwasia wo asem we fa ho bai a wo de ho agimu sa ala wo di o plega na wo di na why you ticket to as as nigga say wa de ni sha kete na ebo woda wa boda mo ana asem we ba why bias sa you don't say ye we the craft is aka e wonom sa FM station no wo tik say quality what wo jimi na kono koda mo gasa
mama oba ayi wo so be kan amaye wo we da
me elected no platform since my kan free ho
okay na kan
okay
no ba pa we
oko yi no WhatsApp ba
aso
nyami asio onyami etie ye mpa eboya
me ba cho
mama kan ye tonka mama kan ana menyin to another phone so na me kan mamo ade me kan na mo amose me ankan ni ye me kan
me nim lenti a me koyi ana me free ha
mama men kan me wo wa
kind scientifically
press release family of the late Mr. Charles Kwadwo Fosu that the Lumba clarifies false claim regarding widow rights and funeral arrangement date 26 October 2025 issued by family press secretary on behalf of the family of the late Mr. Charles Kwadwo Fosu that the Lumba signed Mrs. Akosua Serwaa Fosu widow and Miss Ernestina Fosu sister of the deceased. The family of the late Mr. Charles Kwadwo Fosu, affectionately known as Daddy Lumba, wishes to categorically refute and clarify false information currently circulating in the media and on social platforms. Specifically, the family strongly denies the rumor presented by Mr. Akwasi Aboag on his program on Peace FM 104.3, aired on Saturday 25th October 2025, suggesting that both women involved have agreed to perform their widowhood rite together during the funeral of the late musician. This information is entirely false, misleading, and without any factual or legal basis. Clarification on the family position. A meeting was held on Friday, 24th October 2025 at Akwasi chaired by Nana Kwame Churichie and Akosua for Asanteman, where the issue of marital status was raised for clarification. At the meeting, a representative of Miss Priscilla Oforia, Tanisha Priscilla Nwankobi, who has publicly claimed to be a widow, was asked to produce a marriage certificate for any legal documentation proving her marriage to the late Mr. Charles Kwadwo Fosu. Neither Miss Oforiate's lawyer nor Ebusuapanyini Kofi Owusu could present any evidence or marriage certificate to substantiate her claim. Following this, Nana Osei Kwame Twitwie ruled that in the absence of any legal proof of marriage, the only recognized and lawful widow remains Mrs. Akosua Serwaa Fosu, who was married to the deceased under the marriage ordinance and is recognized under both Ghanaian and German law. He, however, noted that since cultural widowhood rights. However, the family of the late Mr. Fosu, led by Mrs. Akosua Serwaa Fosu and Miss Enesina Fosu, firmly objected, stating that no individual can assume the role of a widow or perform widowhood rights without a valid marriage recognized by law.
As a press release, Nebuchadnezzar the Abano.
As the family stated,
your friend is Ziga. Mama can say.
As the family stated, we are not into some Ebusuafo Gina ahemfi ho kan ye na eno ne ye. As the family stated, we are not going to change.
You see the picture now, but why the picture now? Oh, so the bear.
We are not going to change the law just for you, Priscilla Ofori. I'm saying we are not going to change the law just for Priscilla Oforiata. Neither Ghana or German will bend their legal standard to favor an individual without lawful standing. What the law says in Ghana and Germany, under Ghana's ordinance marriage, which is Cap 127, Mrs. Akosua Serwaa Fosu is the lawful widow and next of kin of the late Mr. Charles Kwadwo Fosu, with full right to rights in a control over funeral and burial arrangements, request investigations or an autopsy review, and inherit or administer the deceased estate. It's my what right wing and I say obey control over funeral and burial arrangements, request investigation or autopsy review, and inherit or administer the deceased estate. Under the German civil law, since no divorce decree was finalized before Mr. Fosu's death, the marriage remained legally valid, thereby confirming Mrs. Fosu's legal status and spousal rights in both Germany and Ghana. In both Germany and Ghana. Any refusal to claim authority over the body or to conduct funeral rites without the widow's consent constitutes a violation of Ghanaian law, which is under Cap 127, and internationally recognized spousal rights under German law. So what is the family's position, the family statement? We, the family of the late Charles Kwadwo Fosu, find it deeply troubling that this issue is even a subject of public interest. The law is clear, consistent, and self-explanatory. Of Mr. of the late Mr. Fosu. We therefore urge the public and the media to respect the truth, uphold the dignity of our beloved father, brother, and husband, and disregard any misinformation or unauthorized claims. Eti ensembia ambeti bia mumontu muti eti asomone musomonde tamuso. Ana bishafone.
You I was for this is my son now I don't me share you know I was a penny betting alcohol on my penobi man and I say, oh my you not free. What look by you, my not free one, sending one other.
Lumba
You
say no court in the bedi tell me ya kwa they are quite year 28 now any be hunu omo de ayi omo de certificate in mama me Akosua say wan so na ye ekunafo of that lumba ya take na be so enti en 28 bi aka ne ho ye
okay and the bomb pie na buzi peni de omo won yi ni sakura mani men kura na ma Akosua say wa ni lumba sisa no na komo nhwe no bibia anya kama ni Akosua no a omo do ma Akosua say wa no na ka buzi peni de omo kicking out de wodi ye no ni de no de wodi ye no ni apere it's okay ono gen so one baby no fa ni ma de omo kan ba wono de mani men eso mo pass mani men ayi na mani ma ko so wono wonya yere na me kan no
me ba so bokia wa ba che ni say si o ma me kasa
Ebuchiafo me cheche mu nyina ha.
Na ju so.
Me da se no mama me akwanya we. Oprega untima sesa me lie be 20 times and me wo so. Na nanka wo se wo kohene. Oprega yenya wo ne tumi kotene eyi we ase wo ho. Wo ka se ye nkwara. Wo damo ba bia wo firi ba e wate. Unti eni pada wo na ye didi enidi unti na me ne bikunu ntokwa kwasya ba. A wo de awade e betwitwi gatam. Wo de wo Okasi emu bi ya ware ma wo a waso de gina ama yemu bi ye kunu nom ne ye wofa ne ye brother bi mo epeso wo mo kire se chese ye be support wo edi enti ne fe support ma wo bo wo dam ba bia wo firi ba ye na wo de leka na ya twere gu wo no ye wo ba wo pim e wo sene me de ye a jeje wano wo firi da wo yi wanim den se ayi wo mountains wanim den se ebo Wate una aye leader na no mete se bra bi nso odidi mama Akosua atem ono nso wo ememe be kasa mu nyina mo be kasa bi ade nkwase se mo prega ye we mo se ye mo yensa ma akora no mo se ye nka de na nkyere no ade papa be na waya ye nkyini mane ye nananom ebenya so mfaso kwase akwa wo akora keto ete se wo wakodidi esene wo na nyankopon adom na papa yi kwa enka wo be ye dai wo san ya sori amema wa betiri so wo prega wa ha mu tentene Churo quite tentana wate. Okoko so den jeno okoko so gasiye. Okasi emu bi yesuro wa hu. So wan hwe no ampe ba bia antena ye be kire wa fie dwem obro wo Ghana ho. Ye na ye be ba be hia wo be hu se yes ma bi ene ye gina ho. Ya de yakoko ne yato na be kire wo se yes ye de. Wan bo wo dam. Wan manfo bia na no kan kwase asema kire mama Akosua. Ha dare you wo ba bia wo firi bae. Many abre papa na sa o sa ba ya we de mi do nya me se mi miti wo mi yan yu a e be ye boot for boot. Unti be se sam lie. Me se nka me ni do atembie menso. Ne enema kwete wo ba bi nti wo beje. O pese wo kire se e fia so sene gaye na no bagaya na no tetrete se eyi pancake ja kan ho eso dia no abetino na atete so ka so nko na anima petition we ohun ye mu bi ye re petition de kanya nsasam kwasia ba efia so snega wo twa na de media ne so no kope ho asam ka efuna ni ma bi be te se wo tumi gina ho eso de bia wanum Akosua se wa kwasia mama Akosua atete doctors no lawyers mo sesai meme nyansafo na mo kuma ma me no mo bi mo sesai ya so dia no pa mo be mani pa kasa mo nko na mbese saga na law letter na aba no the ordinary dia wode ne nsa tabini ne nsa nifa no wode je enne letter na aba no wo so wo yo ba ne kasa wo freedom se me ka me kire wo se mo be shout mo line na down mo be dum mo line enam san kwase ntokwa we ya amaje ama mo no mo bi ye be on follow mo amafo be on follow mo and some say mum ped baby a no kore da mum ped no kore kwase ya samne ya do so ade na afi de mpesa mo sesa ga na amamre ye na nanom no mo hye sa amra we no mo ka se ye na nanom mo na sumi ya so ho wo abusia pani letter ne ya twro wo mo ye be ma fa won sese wo bo na ke be kyerɛ wo say yes mantra brochre mre no ye ne yakunu no nsofa na afi de omo nko petwa bodamfo bi ntena ho na nyame dum na mama ni wuwi a masa si yi dudu kwa bo mo eyam ede ntoma si wo mo kokko ani ye ma bi se ye be ko ne ye mpene ye be yi ye twaso akire mo mo si ye nya breti ni da wife mo be wo de de be ye mo wo prega ka so nko na awa yi wo ho wo ka so nko na awa de ye bi so de de ade ye mo bi ye no mo de platform si mi se wonti mesesa me ho 100 e wo platform yi so na de so wo ye wo bat se wo be ti wa any queen any his royal no mo keka ho no ofenhia ye ni nyina wo platform yi so wa kwasiafo mumra ni enkyere mu nyansa mumra na mumedie mema wo magina mo kasa mama kwasiafo adai na mbetete ye wo ayi platform yi so queen me ka cho drop na ni ambre
so waju eni so me kasa te wenti won so waju eni so nunim de fi so bank wa bo pempas dada me pa cho bin kasa
Obinga mechanics letter na abano ye nyina yan trend yan trend ansa na china no pa no ma be yo news review no akofa entro news no e de aye de omo peso mo ye nyina ne so mo pese enkrofo kase ma me se wa ye chinchina atwan asam ne kura kwa ahemfie no hene ne se aga baba wa ne nya bi enso so ma me ne peso obepene so nya sa de kosi ye agenda na eno ano no enu nti na omo share da ko share sa date ni eti mesira mo me kasa wi apa me kwa koto me platform wonom ye wo woni ye platform no so na wonya no me de to me honom a wo betumi afa na so what we yan trend
onye me so bi am be to me honom why
obi afa na because ma me say wa oni obi a wo local media honom a wo ka bia ma no social media ya so ntemesira mo me yan trend sa de we wo ba bia wo Instagram afa koto wo TikTok wo Facebook YouTube am sam obi afa nto ekon no enya no nko a ensa so ka mesira mo obi
na jusu
Kamekasa. Me sisters, me ene me bra, me pa wacho hu like me so ma dream chira campesa me come say.
Adia say sia na wubo mama abna nkasa wi.
Oh okay, obi bajam yo.
Ma abna nkasa.
Yeah, okay. Me person me handle despite for ne kakra. No wonder say Shatawale de bia na oyeya omono. That media platform no tembia they want to push
yes,
an agenda.
Gospel 24. Okay, yeah, the bema go.
Omo de bia cause omo push an agenda and most of the agenda omo push no. Nyame say yen ka no kore nyansasemu nim. Omo timi tu omo ani si Shatawale so de bia no mo de ni si ho no mo yeya no until say Shatawale be speaking for himself as no mo yi omo ani efine so I feel say that's the same thing omo person omo de ye ma Akosua Serwaa and this media platform na was say started ba show omo pa say do mo fa omo ani si na sa Aboag or whatever they call themselves no omo ni na no mo person omo practice polygamy say debe ye na yo ha na efi asho abet na ho say so ne koye bibi eno hu sem basa Google media platform ne so enti sisi na wo say mo hu say traditional media ne obi ambu omo bi sisi a TikTok utimi bio platform o ka asema ebeko see let them I was say ye no mo hu say mo media platform na ndure chire to say the wa TikTok and for personal social media na ndure chire eno mo nso minim sika o makoje I don't know why they are trying to push that stupid agenda. Minim denti omo yesa. Enti no yema ya no nye kese o sa media platform no so. Say the mo fa maame Akosua Serwaa enimu nefe because sisi na mo person mo yete say maame no opemanso opewe ba munim so obi ware e wo mrema. There's no any second wife, you know. Ta denti na mo push that agenda no. Sika be no makwa akoje. Omo be ka na yentie. Domo ya ne de enye kra o enti me patcho mo man starting for ya ninsi
aya de be my platform ni nya
ye for ya ninsi sa mo say the way Shatawale ye omo no ye nye omo sa na mo come no ntu because they Shatawale omo ntimi nka omo asem ne platform ne so bi.
Okay, that's it. Me patcho adia ka so mama
Patcho adia wa ukasa me pese me culture like yeah mama I see you but like as women yensua adien free side it has really come to open your ni bebre yeah, like when we are with our men, Abrochino, some of you that are there, no, say, Munim send a stress next here to sit with your husband now, twirly for years with Unkwala, Obeko Juma, always here, Nyasem Ketua. Obebawa bre, una who deal with children, who deal with a husband, especially an African husband. Fine. I won't ba I see we. So for me, so my drink check a crown can can say our mother should handle this how she has to handle it so that it affects only families, no. Like looking families, it will affect their relationship because they are uncle. So onya butre, and then whatever she thinks, say you really be a man to me. Like you should show the lady, the second wife say or the second woman say. Or when you
second wife would be second wife. Because any pina no aja wow, any pina.
I was going back to
okay.
So I'm American. I was trying to go back and rephrase something, and I will buy a mono. So say for as anti-tradition is different, right? And like Christian and Orthodox marriage, you know, so you're different. But yeah, Muslim society is different. He said there's no second wife and it's in Pena and children has come in now. Fine to me. To me, Obia for you are saying Columba no cry why Japadiano, he's gone today. So to give the husband a peaceful burial, no, Mami, you should be patient. I see we on fire, but some born in the
No, people are dragging her. No,
thank you. People are dragging her.
Queen, Miss Ramo. Queen, Miss Ramo,
she's not talking to me. Like for me, they are dragging her and absolutely Obian himself on she. Yes, but that's all the bottom line of me submission. No,
when you say which man did my day, when you manenka?
No, like whatever is entitled here, no. By law.
We are fighting for it.
Yes, so I'm saying, Sister Penny, I'm saying, I see that's what I'm trying to say. For me, just like I heard one of our brothers say, whatever it is, they give to the kids and not the lady. Fine, she made her choice. Maybe because of fame, she made and she didn't put this in place to favor her too. Maybe a nenunti, one maybe to favor her. Fine, Papa Noko. A lot of issues have arisen. We have heard a lot of things. Me mama no, me so mama me say she should be patient. Whatever it is, no. She can give the children or the woman.
Me patch. I be someone telling me be say will be on be man to me really be more be any man mama ne dia. Why? It's mama ne be chere dia kwa ha na dia kwa. Why?
Okay, because me say you fish like why you will.
Team leader wife. Ajia, so wow, so wutie and some bibiano crow.
Wow, okay.
So person wuntie and some we pa bibiano crow. Ya doko pa so ya hu me bia in church on for me nya say bi o munya o
so let's say you know about yeah. So
me to say me chira o say tie me chira say so to be say wutie and some na brasi ubaha na tiwa odi na so ko tie nchencheri de na me ba wan hwa
Adia also mamim control said the into omudia court ne say abusia panyin ne say mame ne nya yire enti japade na wo adia wo kan no say mame ne nya yire mame ne ye de nya ne japade no wa ma obibi.
So she's madam.
Yes, so she has to fight for the legal right as a wife.
For how many years? Then you come and tell people today.
Oh, she had Lumba in 85. They've known each other for over 40 years.
This is so painful.
So she has to get her legal right first as a wife. And then I'm person muti patapa free in semudia. No, it's not gonna happen. And no be enya botre baby a chain or court. Compinta court gives us the legal rights and then the free one you bet to us.
I am more say a bit more training
Miss Flo, so pay Japadio, on pay Japadio, ye pink cry a bed.
Mutiemi, Enukum, when you know Bobra.
Yes.
I don't want Japadia. No, but you have to be see, Mammy or Japadia. No,
I didn't think about that. I don't know what to
Mudia, me was some more. It's no man, or go pretty much Japadia. One in Ukunu, Lumba in Ukunu, one in Abobra. You made a party.
I don't see how we're moving.
Sabio, I knew Yarab Blessing, I'm in any bridge of party. Now you am in Jazzy and Casago or Mamma Padiana. Prince, didn't play about. Yeah.
Prince, Argentina. Mr. Prince.
Missy, Diantina, Dienten in Penotari to our woman church, but says, Dienten what are to one? I must say, the ball for your That's Sabby, Mamma, Blower, bread, jam here, me bow, Queen Uti, Yenya will pass you. She say, Obako, bread, Aquala cra, Ubema, your brow, bread, Aqualano. Se obasi mi ura mi kwedmo ntakwa ni hwebra uni ya wore mfuma bra ya bre ne ma Europe aseru nye easy na pre kwa akwa ba kokra o the wedding kola tere wonu kwa o lo ni e wotwe loska e de fiesika nkola duani o mu books ba kufo kwa o tell come on then tell me the kind of ya na mi
munye screen recording na mufamko adenti na mukọ Ghana embassy bia obekọ Ghana sebi no mu gugu what to say kraman pevisa adena ya opevisa you think that there's a greener pasture somewhere opese okọ ye adwuma bo brabe sidan enti no se ma mini 2 kwan in 85 do shada de lumba no wakwa ye adwuma oni ni kunomu mienu do musika bo ma ye japade na mo ba be ka che ma mini so ye gold digger japade no pa mutri so no ma pampa so mutu kwan a na mo makoda train station mu pension time so na ma ba Ghana no makwa hye mo class no mo amugina so ye pin ma me ko sa se wa ni pin na hye aboba se kwa ye begya ma no mo pa mo nkata ye ko bo ahyawo mo pa mo nkata ye go digger mo pa mo nkata business ne de ne ye Aja na shawo for fashion for Japan say so when I would do with try back share na bia
well there is one
se be ma ko oni oba bi ko wu na wanware oba na nkola no ni maame ni nyina ye mo mo hwe o mo nji
ye mo mo japade o ye mo mo hwe se be no wa kai asale
inti ma ko si ase opa Akosia odobro ni mba anokra pin even with law anokra enu no se maami Akosia so no or decide so be ma nkwala ni bibi kwa no be ma omo because nkwala no they are not under marriage o ma ya wo omo wa aware ase ye wo mo ompna so they are not recognized inti mo nkwala ni nti na wasada na wabetino
wo kan grofo aya na
because of Japan
me ba on say agye no one teach papa
na say naba oba ya nware na wakọ wa ma be naba
ene na me ka cho say wo kan twi dia ye na wo kan grofo na aya na ya dodo
because even in Islam cry you worry first wife, second wife, third wife, fourth wife se be ma no wan ware enu uni no ko wo a umba ni ye mo hwe o ye consider say o
ye mo bibia
ye mo hwe
ade se be ma no ti ase no queen so onye wu ye no no bibia da ma akwala no so what year the two or the money lawyer say in case me chi me wa efie we me di ama me baba ma no ana me baba and I'm say so one year person wo pe akwala won even when you pabo and Islam there no baba ma ti ase no na onye bibi me ma woska ni bia wo woska pa when first born on war ni ma me no but akonso abro no baba no sa no wo to fie eda ko ne din and odi man lawyer was saying in case me who are if you wait me ba penny dia me da mano sika say e won account mo and about ko Libya to ko Libya no na am friend o pa e yari o ba say be wanya me de ni yiri mu 3 o mo say akwa no ye o mo ma ne pin ko mo pene e wa mano ko ya warin ni ma me mpani ampa o ma mo no ma je baade no sa no do o account ba ko and the lawyer ba ka say asoma si wo say wo Libya so ni ba penny no if you we am hwe any dia papa no toy odi ni tin documents na enie na council ni o the schedule to the schedule any dia on this say ka papa na anya ka papa uye ka bi bia no ko menya
yeah
Islam no o mo man hwe ndi fa na ma ko se wono wo pa wono no ya ware no wo pero mo ko ni bi say you come up and the pa so mo be bia no bitma ya no ko wona ya ba se bia ware no I want to be on the tea, want to be on the bobra. Now I have in chance here. Obia will be a bobra. Now woofing cha. Wouldn't sell mammy. Who said, you couldn't use it. Lumos over here. Who wouldn't him? No, what's that? Treat your program about sex and color. No, with G. Mammy, Beverly Finisana. You told me, Yana, Yana, too much. Mammy, or bread.
Listen,